Achu's Art and Me.
Hello little artists, it's Achu here. Today we are drawing a yummy apple. Let's draw a little stem. Now let's draw one leaf. Apples are full of vitamins that help keep our bodies healthy. Red. Now comes the exciting part. Coloring. Do you know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Nice and slow. Apples can be red, green and yellow. Which apple is your favorite? Keep coloring slowly. You're doing an amazing job. Beautiful colors make beautiful drawings. Apples are full of vitamins that keep our body healthy. Brown. What color is the leaf? Green. That's right, green. Excellent. Every drawing is special because you made it with your own hands. Looks fantastic. Keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling. I'll see you in our next drawing adventure. Bye bye.